tide, lady? Why weep ye by the tide? I'll wed ye day, my youngest son, and ye shall be his bride. And ye shall be his bride, lady, say come lady, be seen. But I, she loot the tears doon fa, for Jock o' Hazeldean. No let this wilfu grief be done, and dry that cheek sae pale. Young Frank is chief o' Warrington, and Lord o' Langlydale. His step is first in peaceful ha, his sword in battle keen. But I, she loot the tears doon fa, for Jock o' Hazeldean. A chain o' gouge ye shall not lack, nor braid to bind your hair, nor mettled hound, nor managed hawk, nor palfrey fresh and fair. And ye, the foremost o' them a', shall ride our forest queen. But I, she loot the tears doon fa, for Jock o' Hazeldean. The church was decked at morning tide, the tapers glimmered fair. The priest and bridegroom wait the bride, and dame and knight were there. They sought her baith by bower and ha, the lady was na seen. She's o'er the border and awa, wi' Jock o' Hazeldean. She's o'er the border and awa, wi' Jock o' Hazeldean. So a happy ending for our weeping young woman. How compelling Sir Walter Scott makes that ballad. In only 4 verses, he piles on the characterisations in the story so that we're really drawn in when she gets her happy ending. I think the most compelling character is the storyteller himself, her prospective father-in-law. And I think in his words, we can also feel some tenderness for her and her situation. Sir Walter Scott rewrote this ballad from one that he knew as rather an old one. It appears in collections of his from 1816, but it was well known around the Borders region for centuries before that. And in fact, the tune that it's based on comes from the 1650s. It has travelled to the Americas and has quite a flourishing history there. There are various versions of it, and it's really testament to Sir Walter Scott's great artistry that this one, in the 4 verses, draws us in so well. I've known this song for years, and I think it probably dates back to my Callie band days, when we used to play songs for people who needed a rest after the 15 minutes of 8 some reels. We kept a fairly light touch on the arrangement, really letting the song speak for itself.